Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be going over reverse percentages and looking at questions in which we're told what the percentages are and what the final values are, and we have to work out the initial or the original values. So let's just get straight into it. So I didn't really split this video up into subtitles because I feel like it's pretty simple. There's not many subtitles that we can split into, so we'll just have a go at some questions. So the first question says, in a sale, shirt prices are reduced by 40%. One shirt costs £30 after the sale, so that's the final value. Calculate its original price. So when we look at a question like this, and you have to look out for the word original or initial or anything of the sort, that gives you the cue that it's a reverse percentage question, not a normal percentage question. And so in order to work out what the value or the answer for this part would be, we'd have to form an equation. So let's just say the original price was X. And we know that when X was reduced by 40%, it costs £30. So reduced by 40%, so that's 1 minus 0.4, so 0.6 X is equal to 30. And we can just very simply solve that by doing X equals 30 divided by 0.6, and if we put that into our calculators here, 30 divided by 0.6 gives us £50 as our final answer. Okay, let's have a go at another question. So this question says, a company's workforce increases by 12% between 2019 and 2021. In 2021, there were 40,000 workers in the company. Work out the number of workers that were in the company in 2019. So again, we're working out the number of workers that were in the company before. So in order to do this, again, we'll say that the number of workers that were in the company before is X. And that number is increased by 12%, so we'll add 0.12 to 1 gives us 1.12. So 1.12x is equal to 40,000. So x is equal to 40,000 divided by 1.12, which if we put that into the calculator gives us a number of approximately 35,714, which we will leave as our final answer because we're going to have to round it to a whole value and an integer because we are talking about humans here. Alright, have a go at these two questions. Pause the video and have a go at them, and we will go over them shortly. Alright, so the first question says, a car's price decreases by 20% after 3 years of its production. At the end of the 3 years, the car costs £27,000. Calculate the percentage change in the price of the car. So this question actually has two parts of it. The first part is we have to work out what the initial price of the car was, and then we have to calculate the percentage change. If you haven't watched my video on percentage change, and you're not confident with that topic yet, then do check it out. I'll leave a pop-up somewhere in the video right now. But anyway, let's have a go at the question then. So, the car's price decreases by 20% after 3 years. So, the original car price, we'll say again, is equal to X. And that decreases by 20%, so 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8, so 0.8x. And that is equal to 27,000, which is the final value. So therefore x is equal to 27,000 divided by 0.8, which if we put that into our calculator now, get 27,000 divided by 0.8 give us 33,750 pounds. The percentage change, we'd have to do the final value minus the initial value divided by the initial value times by 100. So the final value here being 27,000, remember that, and we're taking away 33,750 over 33,750, and we are multiplying that by 100. And so we'll take that and we will put it into our calculator, just like we have done in the previous examples. So 27,000, take away 33,750 over 33,750 times by 100 gives us minus 20% as our final answer. Okay, so a flight to France from England originally cost X pounds. After a 15% increase in prices, it now costs £90. Work out the value of X. Okay, so we're told that the original cost is X pounds. And then after a 15% increase, so 0.15 plus 1, so 1.15 X. And that is equal to 90. So in order to do this, we'd simply just do X is equal to 90 over 1.15. And if we put that into our calculators, 90 divided by 1.15 gives us a value of 78.26 to 2 decimal places, and that is our final answer. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you found the video helpful, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.